Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to fix black screen issue in your device Samsung F62. So if you're having any problem like white screen and grayscale screen in your device Samsung F62, you can fix them all by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to fix black screen, white screen and grayscale screen issue in your device.